Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make viral AI UGC videos for TikTok ads step by step. You don't need to hire influencers or shoot real footage, just use AI avatars, voices and editing tools to create high converting ad videos that look real. First, what is UGC? UGC stands for User-Generated Content, which means videos that look natural, like real people talking about products. For AI UGC, we'll use tools to generate a realistic human avatar that delivers your ad script like a genuine review. So next, you can just open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short 15 to 30-second ad script. For example, in here, I'm going to ask it to write a natural UGC TikTok ad script promoting a skincare serum for Gen Z. Hit on generate, and ChatGPT will generate a perfect conversational script. Okay, so you need to keep it under 100 words and focus on emotion and not selling. So I'm going to let's say make it under, let's try that. Okay, so here is the result. And now you can just open an AI video generator like Agent, Synthesia or Picasso AI. You can just choose your AI avatar, paste your script and select a realistic voice tone like casual, upbeat or testimonial style. So in here I've already pasted the script in HiGen, this one, and here the video agent will make the plan based on the details that I provided, and it asked me to type proceed to continue with this plan and creating the video. So I've already done that, and this is still thinking and the video is still in process. So just wait. Now it start creating, and here is the progress. So reviewing the reference materials, you can just wait again until it's done. Okay, so now the process is done, and this is the preview of the UGC video. Let's play to see the result. It's only in 14 seconds, so it is suitably for TikTok video. So let's just play it. So you can now just click on download or click on share to save the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.